Fox 17 meteorologist Greg Bobus. We're in a code red weather alert, taking ourselves into the weekend. Now, today and tomorrow, I'm calling them your get out there and get it done days, because today and tomorrow, nothing to worry about. We're going to be cold. We have temperatures that are in the 30s. They'll be there the entire day. We might hit 40 if we're lucky, but we'll stay dry. We'll stay dry tomorrow. Our code red alert is for what's coming our way, getting into your Saturday. Let's start breaking down what we have. New this morning for you here. Overnight, a flood watch issued for just about all of us here. This is going to start Friday night, overnight, last with us all day. Showers that'll be consistent, steady, and moderate to heavy at times all morning into the afternoon. The best chance for some potentially strong thunderstorms, and I say potentially, will be just after sunset through right around midnight. Only for a couple of us, and a few things have to happen. But right now, let's talk rainfall totals first. Everyone shaded in red, chance for 4 to 5 inches plus of rain. There's a plus sign there because there could be a few areas that do get isolated totals. They're just a little bit more than that 5-inch range. You go south of I-40, the totals are lower, meaning it may not rain as often, and it may not rain as heavily. We might even sneak in some breaks in the cloud cover. We don't want that to happen. Now look at the map right here where we see our southern counties that have less rainfall that are possible. They're the same ones that are lit up here in a level 2 when it comes to possible severe weather. It is by no means a guarantee that we see any strong storms. If we do, that's the place most likely. Here's what we can expect. The possibility, if we get strong to severe storms, that tornadoes and hail, they're not completely off the list. They're very low down, but they're not at zero. Damaging wind would be a little more likely, and flooding, that's a concern that all of us have to watch out for, even flash flooding in some areas, especially if you get west of 65 and north of I-40. Starting you on future track here, this is 9 p.m. tomorrow. Again, nothing happening between now and then. Let the rain gear dry out until Saturday, and then you'll want it the entire day. Taking a look at Saturday, 6 a.m., we're starting off with dark green. That's moderate, that's steady, consistent rainfall here for you. And then some pockets of yellow popping up with some downpours throughout the morning into early afternoon. Here's noon to 3, and watch our southern counties. Emphasis down here, south of I-40. And if we do get a break and the rains move slowly, here's 6 p.m. This is when the bulk of our heaviest rain will come down. 6 o'clock goes to 8 o'clock. Barely making its way into Nashville at that point. 8 to 10, barely moving. And from 10 to midnight. There's going to be a 6-hour period here where a band of heavy rain moves in, and that's also our best chance, especially to the south, to pop off some thunderstorms that could be strong in nature. So this weekend as a whole is going to be messy. Even Sunday, when the rain ends early, could give you a couple of snowflakes in the upper elevated areas, and then we turn colder and a lot of standing water. We're watching out for flash flooding. That isn't the flooding in the rivers and creeks and streams that we're used to building up over a couple of days at a time. This is that flooding that can happen in a good 3 to 6 hours in areas that just don't have good drainage. Places with a lot of concrete, places where drains are blocked up. And you can always follow along with the Fox 17 Code Red Weather app. It'd be very useful to just find the lighter breaks in the rainfall on Saturday if you've got to head outside. And also, if we do have any severe watering services are turned on, you'll get it just for the county that you live in. 40 degrees today, 48 degrees tomorrow, 64, but you will not enjoy that temperature for you on your Saturday. That is our Code Red day. We'll have more updates for you at 5:30 on Fox 17 News on your airwaves.